Drowning in notifications? Here are 3 ways to instantly silence your iPhone or permanently block certain apps. To quickly mute all your notifications at once, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and tap Focus. Then, select Do Not Disturb. This will instantly silence all your calls, alerts, and notifications until you turn it off again. Or tap the 3-dot icon to turn on Do Not Disturb for 1 hour, until this evening, or until you leave your location. You can also tap Settings to create a Do Not Disturb schedule. From here you can customize when you receive notifications from people or apps based on the time, location, or the apps you're using. Once you receive a notification, you can quickly block it by swiping down from the top of your screen to open the Notification Center. Then, swipe left on the notification and tap Options. Finally, select Turn off all notifications, Mute for 1 hour, or Mute for today. You might also see Configure, which opens the app's notification settings for more options. To permanently disable notifications for any app on your iPhone, go to Settings, scroll down, and tap Notifications. Then, choose an app and turn off the slider next to Allow Notifications. You'll need to repeat this step for every app you want to disable. If you don't want to disable notifications entirely, you can change how they appear instead. Choose Immediate Delivery to get notifications right away, or Scheduled Summary to bundle them at times you pick. Then, choose where they appear: on your lock screen, in the Notification Center, or as banners at the top of your screen. You can disable the ping sound, remove those red app badges, and stop Siri from reading your notifications out loud. Some apps have even more options under Notification Settings at the bottom. Finally, go back to the main notification screen to adjust your scheduled summary or create a new one, like once in the morning and once at night. While you're there, turn off notification previews so others can't read your messages, and disable notifications during screen sharing. And scroll all the way down to turn off government alerts, like Amber Alerts and other emergency alerts. If these steps helped, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos.